Once you have paid PayPal, the Establish Club website link will appear. Let's click Establish Club website. We'll give it a name, My Club, New York. Click Assign Name. I will be going rather quickly, but I'll go slow enough that it's easy to pause and rewatch what I'm doing. Now that we've established the club website, it says Edit Club Website. Click Edit. Here's our new website. From Rotary International, about our club, it inserts the weekly meeting venue up here, the club officers in this area, and the club contact information over here. On the right side is the feed, the news feed from Rotary International. As one places the mouse over the different links, the information will show up and you can read it. And of most interest are the areas that are outlined here in gray dashed lines, here, 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 and the header section up in this area. We're going to go ahead and edit the header section. When I click in it, a toolbar will appear, as so. I'm going to change the color of the text to be gold. I highlight the text that I just typed in, change it from normal to a heading size, and I'll save the area. Next, I'll add some text here. Click just before But in the very upper left corner. So now you can see the cursor is blinking there. And I will insert a photo right where it's blinking. The image tool. I'll upload an image. Click Upload. And send it to the server. I'm careful to keep the lock ratio button locked. When it's unlocked, it looks like an unlocked lock, and when it's locked, it's a closed lock. That allows me to adjust the width. I changed it to 225 or 225 pixels, and you can see it adjusted the height accordingly, keeping the proportions correct. I want to align the photo to the left so the text wraps up and to the right of the photo. Left. And there's the text that wrapped up and to the right, but the text is right against the photo, and we want some space between the text and the photo. So in the H space, for horizontal space, I'll add 10 for a 10 pixel buffer around the picture. Now you see there's a little bit of space between the picture and the text. That looks good. I say OK to insert the image into the website. And there it is. And now I'll save this area. I don't see the Save button, so if I click in the editable area, there's the Save button. And I click Save, and it flashed yellow. We can do the same kind of thing in this area. In this area, we can add links. Let me add a link here to mistaken. I highlight mistaken. That's the word that will become a link. While it's highlighted, I click the link tool. In this case, I'm going to upload a PDF file to serve as a link. Send that to the server. And there's the web address. Before I say OK, I'm going to change the target so it opens in a new window. Otherwise, it will open in the same window, which is fine. And again, I'll be careful to save it. And finally, the club has a Facebook page, so let's add the Facebook page to our website. I click the Help button and scroll to the very bottom where there's a place to put in the Facebook website address. https://www.facebook.com/ and you would typically put the name of the your Rotary Club here. In this case, I'm just going to say Rotary for the Rotary International, and hopefully I typed that correctly. I click Submit. And there it is. If we scroll down a little bit, you can see now the Facebook page appears as part of our website, which is very handy and very cool. And one more thing. Let's go back to the Exchange. I'm going to make a post or a blog post to our website. I click Post to Website. I'm going to upload a picture. Click Upload. There's Betty Davis. Give it a title, Betty Davis. Okay. And I click Submit. Back to the Exchange. Now, rather than editing the website by clicking here, I'm just going to browse the website as anybody else would. And here's a handy link. And here's our website. This is the way anybody else will view it. There's Betty Davis. And by the way, as you add posts, four or five most recent posts will appear one on top of the other in this area. And the older ones will start accumulating in this area as links. So you just click the link to see the older posts. And there you have it.